And how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be recording how the fuck it is raining outside. Yeah, it's pouring outside right now. Oh Jesus Christ! There's supposed to be a mountain over there, but due to the mist, it's hard to see. And the streets are literally covered in water. Look. Yeah, basically this is what's going on outside right now. And yeah, we're stuck inside, quarantine, coronavirus, you know the whole gist, and there are a few cars out there. Mostly it's raining like all hell outside. And yeah. School's out. It's been out for over a month now. I haven't recorded a video in a little while, just not really. Yeah, there's a car. Yeah, no one outside today. Oh yeah, because it's fucking pouring rain. And yeah, there's a car passing by. And never mind. Yeah, besides cars, there's no one outside. Holy shit. There is legit so much rain right here. And yeah, no one is outside today. Alright, that's about enough for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. I'll see you guys. Bye.